But one of moment that I want, two three moments I want to share with you.
Mhm.
Once I was in tennis standard, 10 or 11 was. So it was season of summer, and my father at home, and he said to me that it was election going on, election time was going on. So my
Mhm.
father, he was tired of meeting with people, so he said to me that, Pratna, if someone comes, so just to say that ki papa is not at home. I said okay. And after some times, 2G, full of people came, and seeing them, they asked that, where is sir? So I said, no, papa is not at home. And suddenly my papa came outside. At the moment, papa came outside and said, why are you lying, baby? Beta?
Oh
Beta.
my God.
Papa always say beta. So he said, why are you lying, beta? I didn't say anything, dear. And I went inside the home.
And
I
I
went.
think you even couldn't realize that what happened.
Yes. I even couldn't realize what happened, and I went inside home, and I was saying to mama that, before that papa said to me, if someone comes, so just say like that I'm not at home, and right now he came outside. And so papa said to me that, Pratna gives food, some fruit, like water and sweets. I didn't go. I said I'm not going to give them, and they were child, student, papa's student they were. So
Okay.
they were like, my age, and some of elder than me, and they were laughing. When papa said, why are you lying, so at that time they were laughing. So I went inside, and I thought I would not go there again. Then Papa went inside and said, Ki, why are you not getting water? Because Papa, you said to me that if someone comes, so say that you are not at home. And right now you are saying to me, right now you came outside. So he said, I said, if villagers comes and any that, and they are my student, and they came from very far, because my father, he used to do job, he used to not live at home that time. He used to live in far home. So I didn't say anything to papa, and I didn't go, and until they go from there, I didn't go outside, and I felt very embarrassed, very embarrassed. And whenever I remember
Oh,
that moment, I feel, even in the last, when papa said ki now they have gone and just collect all plates and, so when I went outside, they were, stopped their jeep, and they were looking at me. I, I felt very bad, and I came inside and I
yes.
told Mama.
It was that was embarrassing moment. Yes.
It is